Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami alien model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this alien model we'll need a square piece of paper. You can choose any color square piece of paper. So now first let's fold along the horizontal axis. And now again the vertical axis, making a smaller square. 4 flaps, so 1 flap on this side, one on this side. Open it, close it back, 2 more flaps, one on this side, and one on this side. Open the entire structure. This is how you get. Now need to fold this portion till the center. Same on this side. Press it tightly. Similarly, we need to do it on this side. Open it back. Now you open these 2 flaps and then close this section like this and like this. This is how it looks. Now you need to fold this flap backwards and then fold this section, this as there is a crease over here, fold it like this. Similarly, fold on this side too. And then we can make a triangle like this. Similarly, we need to do it on this side. Fold it back and then here like this, then here like this, same way basically the way we did, and then fold it like this. So if you see, this is how it looks, and then this we fold it like this here, center. So this is how the structure looks like. Now you open this and then fold the structure back. Similarly on this side. And this is how it looks. Now we open this section. This is how it looks. So now we need to do some drawing work. Let me get my marker and I'll be back. Alright, so I got my marker and a pencil. So first we need to draw a thick line over here, black thick line, and then we need to make this section black, this bottom triangle, and we'll draw eyes over here, something like this. Basically in this pattern, draw it on both the eyes and then I'll show you the final thing. Guys, this is how I have drawn this. So then we need to just again press all this as it was before. and here you need to make it like this, slightly in this phase, and this it will be like this. You need to fold this section here, and as you can see, we can just decorate, not decorate, cover this portion. Just give me a minute. So this wait, let me cover this portion also. Yeah, so this is the alien origami alien model, and if you press this entire thing, it sometimes it pops up, sometimes it doesn't. So the smaller you make it, more it pops up the more, but the final alien model is, it looks something like this: the legs, the hands, and the face. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next week. Peace. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.